Yes, sir.
Hey guys, welcome back for another video. So today is a nighttime routine for the toddler, for my toddler and my newborn. So the first thing I do, was not me, my son does. It's a family affair every night. We all pitch in and get things done. So AJ gets out Mila's clothes first, and then he goes in and he gets Malia's clothes out. So Mila only needs every night just pajamas and a diaper. Malia, however, needs a little bit more. So because she's the newborn, she needs a diaper, she needs her towel. Well, of course, Mila needs a towel as well. The sleeper, she needs a blanket as well, but I didn't show that part. And also a burp cloth is what he gets out for me every night. So I usually start off by bathing Malia first. I bathe Malia and Micah usually bathes Mila, or we just kind of like do each other. We help each other out, and we both bathe both of them at the same time. I mean, we both bathe each one together. That's what I'm trying to say. So I start off by running the water, making sure it's not too cool or not too hot. I brought this. It's called a blooming flower, I believe. This is like the best thing. I used to use the Four Moms tub, as you guys saw my last night newborn routine. I switched over to this flower because I don't need help bathing her when I use this flower. So this is my little chunky monkey. Malia is actually 6 weeks old in this video. So that's my baby. She was just waking up. So I just remove her clothes, of course, make sure the water is not too hot. I always test it, make sure it's not too hot or too cold. And I just place her in it. She loves bath time. But because my sink is older, I'm going to get a new kitchen, but because my sink is older, I can actually lay her, it's shallow enough for me to lay her in there like so. And I just basically start off by putting water all over her, then make sure that her body is fully saturated and wet. She loves bath time, and I love giving it to her. It kind of relaxes her. I let her sit in there for literally maybe 5 to 7 minutes before I start washing her usually, but for the time sake of this video, I did it pretty quickly. Just put her inside there. Of course, get the body wash together and just a wash, rub, wash, rub, a dub. So after she is washed and done, I go ahead and I use baby lotion and coconut oil, and that is her moisturizer, and that's how I moisturize her body. I rub it all over her little tummy, her legs, her back, her face, everything. I put it all over her body. Then I take Aquaphor every night and I rub it. I kind of emulsify it in between my fingers, and I put that on her bottom and her butt as well, and then also her face, because she did have some baby acne and dry skin, so I just put that there as a moisturizer. Now I like to use the sleepers that that zips up, not the kind that buttons. It's so much easier to change her at night and in the morning by using just the sleepers that zip up. So yeah, she, like I said, is 7 weeks old in this clip. And homegirl already almost wearing 3 months clothes. So that's my little chunky baby. And now she's all ready for bed. So now it is Daddy's turn. Daddy usually gives, like I said, he gives Mila her bath and I give Malia hers. So he starts off, of course, by running the water, and we are potty training Mila, so we make sure we put her on the pot every time she fell into the toilet. Every time before she actually takes a bath. She has a toilet seat that we put in there, but that's in our bathroom, and while we're filming, we filmed it in the kids' bathroom, so she didn't have it in that bathroom. But Daddy and her really just like, that's their time. They love to play around, and she has bath toys and a little bubble bath crab thing in my bathroom, but like I said, we bathed her in the kids' bathroom for the filming, so she didn't have any of the toys to play with. But as you can see, Daddy played with her quite well. All right. All right. So Dad likes to play with her. As you can see, he actually, uses the same moisturizer as we use for Malia, which is just the, he's so silly, which is the baby lotion and coconut oil. And he puts that all over her face. Oh, she's such a daddy's girl. Literally, Micah is wrapped around her finger. It's seeing them two play together is so cute. But he uses the coconut oil and the lotion actually to moisturize Malia all over her body. So after we try to do this, we try to get this done no later than 8:30, 9 o'clock every night. It doesn't always happen that way, but we try to bathe them, early so we can get them into bed early because we have to get up so early to go to work the next day. So, yeah. So after we have them both bathed, we literally just actually, I nurse Malia, and Micah actually rocks Mila to sleep. But I went to take a shower, and when I got back out, they were both knocked out. So yeah, this is our nighttime routine. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.